Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mega Minion Tim. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and for our right eye we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's move over to the left hand side now, leaving a small gap in the center, and we're going to replicate that. In the top left-hand corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then we'll move over to the left-hand side and replicate that. Again, in the top left-hand corner, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. Now let's draw on the goggles around it. So in the center on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle on the bottom. Starting back in the center now, we're going to curve this up and over on the left-hand side and then arching this back around and in underneath, connecting that together at a point. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small rectangle now, connecting this to the side of the glasses. And then we're going to move over on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height and replicating that. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line across on both sides. And now let's draw in the top of the head. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side and replicate that, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a nice big arch line from left to right, connecting that together. Let's come down and draw in the body now. So continuing this line down, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. And then we're going to move over on the left-hand side and bring this in on a slight diagonal as we bring that down towards the bottom. And then now from here, we're going to close this off. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then we'll do the same thing as we close this off on the bottom. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming up towards the top, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. On both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom, and we're just going to end that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. For the mouth now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line over towards the top. Now let's draw in the overalls and the body. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in for the strap. And we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's move down now and draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then from that point, let's just bring that diagonal line out towards the side. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle for the button. On the top, let's close this off with a straight line from left to right. And then to the right of this, we're going to arch this line over, and we'll do the same thing on the left. For the pouch in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line, closing that off. In the center now, let's draw in a circle. And now in the middle, we're going to write the letter M in bubble letters. Now let's move down and draw in the legs. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out on both sides for the bottom of the shoe. And now from our point here, we're just going to arch this line up and then in. For the sole of the shoe, we're just going to curve this line over on both sides. Now for the rest of the shoe, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that arches out on both sides, and we're going to end that at roughly the same height. And then now from here, the point on the side, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Now closing off the leg, we're just going to draw in a curved line that comes up towards the top. Now let's draw in our right arm. So on the side, we're going to curve this line out and then up. And then from here, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this up towards the glasses and then over towards the side, leaving us space for the hand. Now let's move down. So starting from the top coming down, we're going to curve this line in, out, and then back in, and we're just following this pattern as we come in towards the side of the body. And then now on the top, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from top to bottom. Now let's draw in our hands. So on the bottom, we're going to arch this line out. For the first finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the center, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then one more time on the top, we're just going to curve this around and in towards the wrist. And now let's draw in our left arm. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back up. And then moving down, leaving a gap here, let's replicate that out, in, and then back up. And then from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now on the side, we're going to arch this line out for the hand. We're going to curve this line around and then in for the finger. Moving up, let's replicate that, arching that down. And then one more time, curving this line around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Mega Minion Tim from Despicable Me 4. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.